Hello viewers, welcome to the Irobo Automation YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use rising edge and falling edge detection instruction in the Delta PLC programming software, that is WPL software. From the point of PLC code challenge, it is important. Let us discuss on that. Let us open the WPL software. Go to File, create new project. Say for example, rising edge and falling edge detection we are going to discuss, and PLC type should be SS2 on OK. Uh, After that we are going to discuss on rising and falling edge instruction. Double click on the ladder logic, and I'm closing all the other windows to maximize the screen. Now I will take one switch or start switch, for example say X0, say start. Okay, I'll explain briefly how how you should understand the rising edge. The rising edge means when input is high, immediately output is high. So to demonstrate that, I will take one output, that is Y0, say for example say bulb. Okay, it's not F1, actually there is a F3. F3 is rising edge. Okay, I will take rising edge. What I'll do is first I'll take falling edge and then I'll take rising edge. Falling edge is F4. So address is X0 only, but I've taken falling edge detection, and then compile it, that is Control F7. Then enable the simulator, and this is the simulator, and then download the program, and then go to online. It should be in run mode. Now go to the input, right click, set on. If you switch on, immediately output is not on. See, I already pressed on switch, so set on. Now if I give a command to set off, okay, fine. See, here you can observe you are not getting any output, right? Because the edge detectors, whenever you are using edge detection, you have to use set for instruction, or latching circuit or holding circuit you have to use. Otherwise you cannot see the output, because it is just a pulse. It will generate a pulse. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to delete this Y0 and use the exit instruction that is available in F6, that is application instructions. There you have to type set, then Y0 I want to set. Okay, so now download this PLC program and then online. So you have to remember that whenever you are using rising edge or falling edge detection, you should use holding circuit, either using normally open, normally close contacts, or you can use the directly set instruction. Go to run mode. Now if you set on, output is not working. If you set off, output is working. That means whenever input is off, that means when input is on and then off, then only output is there. Okay, so now how can I switch off this? I have to use reset function, right? So please refer my previous videos how to use set and reset function. So to reset, I will use normal. I will use normal X1, that is normal open contact. that is stop. To stop, you have to take another input, and then using reset function RST, then what do you want to reset? I want to reset Y0 using X1 input. Download, then online, then run. See here, now I am going to set on, output is not on, output is not on, even though input is on, output is not on, but when input is off, then output is on. That is why it is called falling edge detection. How can I reset Y0 bulb? I can switch off it. I have to use X1. You have to operate X1, that is when you operate X1, then output is going to 0. So don't forget to switch off stop button, otherwise you cannot switch on again the bulb. I hope you understood the falling edge detection. Falling edge detection senses the falling of input, that means from high to low. It senses from high to low, and then it is switches on. Many applications are in many application we may have to use the falling edge detection or rising edge detection. This is having many applications. Okay, I hope you understood the falling edge detection. So now what I'll do is I will remove this X0. I will use F3 rising edge detection, and address is X0 only. X1 is used for stop. Okay, so only change I have made it, instead of falling edge I am using rising edge. That is the only change in the circuit. Let us download the program, then go to online. Now if you set on, if you switch on the switch, immediately output is on. It will not wait for the input to be off. Okay, even though input is off, continuously set. So how can I reset? Okay, it's off. Say for example, the application of rising edge, I'll tell you. Say for example, see, when it is going to generate a signal at the initial condition only, at the starting process. Say for example, you press the switch, machine is on, but even if you press the switch continuously, it will not be considered. By mistake, if you holding the switch, that means machine will not on all the time. Okay, so that in that application we use this rising edge. Okay, one time at the initial time it will take the input, and after that it will not take the input. So that is the characteristics of rising edge. Okay, here how I have demonstrated the means how to program using the rising edge and falling edge in this video. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. I'll answer in that. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video.